The Gaza Health Ministry is building a field hospital and 2 large quarantine facilities for coronavirus patients on the border with Egypt. Ministry officials worry they could soon be overwhelmed.
I'm a public health specialist, and what I see is just scaring me, because I know that before this corona issue, we have had this blockade of Gaza for almost 13 years today, and the health system was already fragile with the limited capacity of beds and with limited capacity of equipment and even shortage of staff and the problems that we're facing before. So this is coming on top of a very fragile health system to increase the pressure, and I'm afraid that without external support to the health system in Gaza, that things are going to be, there will be a collapse for quite sure.
That concern is echoed by the World Health Organization.
The Gaza Strip is a very crowded environment that in itself is obviously an environment that would be, conducive to a further spread of the disease. And then we obviously start from a relatively problematic level of the health system. And as I said, there are shortages everywhere, from medicines to human resources to medical supplies.
The Hamas government is disinfecting Gaza's streets and markets, even enlisting help from the Islamic Jihad's armed militia. Mosques have been shut down and social events limited, essential steps for slowing the spread of the disease in a place as overcrowded as Gaza.
In Gaza, the capacity, we are more than 5,000 per kilometer square. So the overcrowding will let this disease, God forbid, spread very quickly. For that reason, everybody should stay home at this moment, not tomorrow. Right now, it should start the curfew.
Palestinians in the West Bank are also in a 30-day state of emergency declared by the Palestinian Prime Minister after Bethlehem announced the first Palestinian cases of the coronavirus and locked down the city's iconic Church of the Nativity. The Palestinian Authority is distributing medical and food aid, and the Israeli government is also cooperating with the supply of equipment and know-how.
Israel delivered hundreds of medical kits to the PA, enabling observation of the virus. Also, there are joint tutorials and professional medical workshops participated both by Israeli and Palestinian medical staffs, where they are given the knowledge regarding the virus and proper tools in dealing with it.
They often don't agree on much else, but Palestinians and Israelis recognize that the coronavirus knows no borders and, in this instance, are acting in solidarity to prevent its spread across their borders. Linda Gradstein for VOA News in Jerusalem.